Good day everyone, in this video I will show you how to adjust the time and date for this watch Casio DW290. But first, make sure you are in the timekeeping mode, and then to enter the adjust mode, just press the adjust button on the top left once like this. Okay, and now as you can see that the second is blinking. We can then adjust the time, but first let us select which mode or which format that we want to use. The 24 hours format like this one, 13, 24 hours, or the 12 hours format, AM PM. And to do that, you can press this slide button on the adjust mode. So if I press once, it changed to 1 PM with this P letter, small icon here, okay? And then I press again, it now returns to the 24 hours format, 13. Okay, now to set the second, we can press the start stop button and it will become 0. And if the number is 30 or more, it will add additional minute. And if it is 29 or less, it will not give additional minute. Okay, now let's move to the next item. Just press this mode button at the bottom left. And now it moves to the hour. And then to adjust the hour, just press this one, the start stop button. Okay. And then we can move to the next item. Just press again the mode button like this. And now we can adjust the minute. Again, we can press the start stop button to add the value for the minute. Okay, next we can press again the mode button to move to the year 2022, and then we can press the start stop button to increase the value. It will cycle back after 2099 to become 2000. Okay, I will not change that now. And then press again the mode button. Now we are in the month. You can press this button to increase the value, the start stop button on the top right. Okay, and then again press the mode button to move to the date. We can press this one again to increase the number. Okay, and then press again the mode button. Now we are returning to the second adjustment. And if you are already finished with the adjustment, you can press the adjust button on the top left to exit the adjust mode. And that's it, done. Now we are already setting up the Casio DW290, and hopefully this is useful. Thank you for watching and see you again in the next video. Bye.